What is going on, you crazy Shaniacs? How are you doing out there this fine overcast day? It's going to be like 50 degrees today, first part of December here. It's crazy. But I tell you, I've tried starting this video like 3 times, and I tell you what, it's crazy. Things have just been happening that I have no control over. But first, we're going to talk a little bit about Bobbin. Well, Bobbin's having some problems. Take a look. Today we're going to go in here and see Bob. I got some bad news for you. He fell down and fractured his back. So we're going to see how he's doing. Well, everybody, we're just in time for dinner apparently here.
Yeah. Want a french fry? Cold as hell.
Cold as hell. He's got pizza coming, so don't let him fool you, everybody.
Oh, you didn't have to know that.
It's probably who his neighbor is over here. So how did y'all manage to get the room together? I mean, because you both fell that night? Is that?
We both fell. I was
You wanted a private room, she said.
Yeah, I did. Hanging out in this room.
Our suite that we bought. This is our suite that we bought.
This is your suite, yeah. It's
I
like
didn't know about this.
it's like your second honeymoon.
$1,400 a day.
Is that what it is? $1,400 a day.
Yeah.
Now you got multiple motivation to get the hell out of here, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
All the water I can drink.
And tenderloins.
Tenderloin, yeah. Who wants a tenderloin when it's cold? French fries?
No, I'll pass. So at one point, the physical therapist was in there trying to get him out of bed, trying to do exercises, and I said, here, you want to know a secret? Quickest way to get Bob out of bed? Tell him that you're going to go to Goodwill or garage sales. All right, now let's talk a little bit about today's job and what's been going on with this mobile home park. All right, everybody, we are back here at the mobile home park. If you see this property behind me, you may recognize it from a previous video. We went through here a while back and we never did bid the project. They called us back. Well, let me just show you what this looks like on the inside.
I can have guys come in and do that. But I'm talking about like the bags. Here are the bags, the boxes, the roll. You know, don't worry about all this little pissy stuff because maintenance can do that.
And come in and clean it, sweep it, and whatever.
Yeah. So, oh my God, the garage door's open.
Yeah, there's probably
So
a
all
squirrel
this
in here
stuff
now.
needs to go.
There's a garage. Does that stuff got to go too? Freaking hot tub in there. Oh my God.
I have them come in here and bag up all the pissy stuff.
If it was all bagged, it'd be a lot better
Well,
scenario.
you wouldn't have. I mean, I'm just saying. I don't need you to pick all this stuff up.
Yeah.
But I don't know why there's refrigerators sitting there. There's a mouse in here.
There's a mouse. So there is a resident in here, huh?
It just scared me. Just jumped. Oh my God! There's a mouse. Holy holy! How do people live like this? I don't get it. I can't do it.
Right?
I do. This just makes me want to vomit.
Yeah, I'm with you. That's why I got my mask on.
So I want just get all the big stuff out of here. If you can get all the big stuff out,
Mm-hmm.
I'll have maintenance come in and bag up all the rest of it, and then I'll call you and have you come back and get that stuff.
Okay.
Wanna do that?
All right.
That way they have space to work.
So we told her that we really couldn't figure out how to bid this for one price, so we'd bid it per load. Told her normally it's $800 to fill the truck up if it's by the curb. Working in these conditions, it would be $1,200. She signed off on it, and well, she changed her mind the following week, and so now we don't have that job, but heck, that could change in a second. So anyway, but let's go to the other job that we're doing today. All right, everybody, it is 2:20, and James thought it was going to take 2 hours.
Maybe not because
What he was just saying there was, she's like, leave the food in the cabinet, leave that glass thing, you leave this, leave that, leave that.
She's like, just, you know, work on the big stuff. And we're like, okay. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh.
Did you get it yourself?
Oh. Oh, I see.
It's filthy and dirty, but that's all right.
Whatever.
Whatever. Whatever.
Ladies and gentlemen, the distance cushion all stars. Oh. Boom.
If you're gonna do it, at least get to the truck.
He says if you're gonna do it, at least get to the truck. That sounds like a challenge. All right, let's see what you got, man.
What, you want me to throw
I
it?
want to see you do it. Get to the truck, smarty pants.
I don't know if I can. I don't lie about it though.
Almost landed on the roof. Oh, not bad.
I got to the edge of the truck, thank you.
Weak.
What'd you get to with it?
Not good.
I think they're just awkward. I don't know if they're necessarily heavy.
It's kind of like you at a high school dance. Awkward, right?
Yes. They all wanted to dance with me and my girlfriend always get mad. Not too bad.
Oopsie daisy.
There we go. How hard was that now?
It's not hard because I'm doing all the work.
Just like those entertainment center last night?
Yeah, no kidding. All right.
What did you do?
What happened?
I don't know, you drove.
Damn it. All right.
Give me those cushions, dude.
I'm a little busy right now.
Well, when you set that down.
Oh, okay.
Means you made the mess in here.
Oh,
Next time, I tell you to strap it. You get throat punched 3 times.
alley-oop. All right, what's up now there, Rufus?
Is that all for that? Hand me that coffee pot thing and the little black thing.
Coffee pot thing. Little black thing. Oh.
What's wrong with that? That's the little black thing, but okay.
What?
I said the little black thing.
You said I thought you said the bicycle thing. All right.
I think you get your new hearing aids after this.
Well, don't step backwards.
What?
I don't want you to fall on that.
Oh. There's a place, and there's no one left to go.
Save me, please, from the music. Oops. Okay,
So,
found it.
that's part of an entertainment center.
It was.
At one point. Alright, we'll just set this down out here too. Let's do oh, this is stacking. I think I'm gonna help you and we're gonna grab the other section of that couch next.
Okay.
You doing alright? You out of energy already?
I'm good, man. Just motivated to beat that timeline, pal.
I said I think. I don't know. And I thought originally we had to clean all the cabinets and stuff out.
So, yeah, I know.
Hold on. Oh, let it go.
We're losing it.
I got caught on the board, and that was the end of it. That's why I was like, let it go.
Let it go.
There,
Let it go.
on you or something. Like,
Let it go, James. Let it go.
okay, put that in there.
Oh, nope.
You're against that metal. There you go.
There, I like that.
All right, turn. Set it down. Push. Oh, come on. Push.
I think there's one more inside too.
Okay. Good. Just set it up here. Slide it in.
Right.
Does that come off there?
It will. Bring it out towards you. Yeah, there's a
Couple screws in it.
yeah. There we go.
So,
I'm gonna take off the drawers.
looks like the drawers are empty.
Okay.
All right, set it down.
Ooh, moldy bread, yum.
Hey, I'm hungry. Penicillin does the body good. Watch your feet. Feet. Head. Shoulders, knees, and toes. Ready?
Nope. Now I am.
Step.
Oh,
All right.
almost fell over that. Okay.
Set it down.
Woo!
I think. So we got the washer also.
I wish I knew someone that would refurnish furniture. I'd be like, here you go.
I don't know, bro.
Knock that and turn that into something beautiful.
You already unhook it?
All unhooked. Daddy did the hard stuff.
Well, why are we being dumb about this? How heavy is it?
Not gonna be heavy at all, man. It's a washing machine. Come on now, Cletus.
Okay, grab that in, Cletus.
You ready?
Let's go.
All right. Oh, there's a wall there.
You're gonna have to set it down. We have to turn it around the corner, Cletus.
What the heck?
Because your hands can't
There's
get by
somebody
it.
named Cletus that's very offended by what you just said.
Cletus T. Judd, thank you very much. I like him. Leave him alone.
Leave him alone.
Leave him alone. What should we call it? Yellowstone. Oh! Yellowstone. Oh! Yellowstone. Oh! Yellowstone. Oh!
I'm sorry, dude.
Alright. Let's get it down.
Okay.
Oh shit!
What's wrong?
The wooden things behind me.
Ah, got you too, huh?
Yeah.
Woo!
That went backwards on him. Looks like you got this under control.
I got this, man. You know, hey.
Alright, get it up there right now. Come on. See, now you open.
Damn it, Jimmy Hoffa.
Alright, let's just stand it straight up under.
Oh.
I got it.
Didn't even break. The heck?
50 pounds. Voice note.
There, it broke.
Hey, somebody's casino card.
Woo! Casino! All right.
That shade goes.
We'll leave them here. Yeah. Oh, come on,
I
Mary.
said it's not heavy, it's just awkward.
It's awkward, all right, because you're doing the work.
Work smarter, not harder.
You're about as useful as a shirt pocket, you know that?
Hey, as long as I'm standing somewhere.
I heard that the other day on Letterkenny. I was like, that's the funniest thing I've ever heard. You're about as useful as a shirt pocket. No. Nice distance. Damn it. Wow. And this is why I was not on the basketball team in high school. She told us we didn't have to pick up any of this extra stuff in here, but we're gonna do it just the same. Because Mama didn't raise no slouch. Gonna set it straight up. Okay. This way?
Yep. Pick her up. And then put her right in there.
Oh yeah. You want the drawers back in or just loose?
No, we're gonna leave them loose. Let's get this black thing standing in here. Flip it in there.
Okay. Is the trash can in there yet? No.
Yeah, I got the trash can in.
Oh, that's right. We did it already. What are you gonna do with me?
Yeah.
Anything you want, big boy. That's probably sexual harassment since you kind of work for me.
I know. Come on, I'm gonna turn you into my boss. Oh, not you, the other boss.
Yo, yo. I was gonna say, wait a minute.
How'd I do, boss?
Did good.
Did I, boss?
Boss my arse. Look at that, huh? Huh?
Yeah, good job. Good job.
Lights out. Okay. All right, guys. I think it looks pretty good. So let's shut the door here. So the final time was 3:15. I think it took us an hour.
Close, yeah, a little over, but yeah, right at an hour. I was right. No, we got a truckload. We don't have it dumped. I'll give Shane this one. Shane got partially right, but the lady also told us we didn't have to take as much as we took, and we took more for the lady too. So,
All right, I'll meet you halfway.
halfway.
You ever see the sun setting over the landfill? Well, today is your lucky day, folks. Anyway, we got here with 9 minutes before they closed, so we gotta hustle and get this thing emptied out. So I'm probably not gonna film too much of it.
You don't want this stop, do you?
Nope.
Back from job. You're on one.
All right, guys, we dropped off 1.15 tons, and that cost me $86.28. Damn, James, I'm gonna have to cut your pay for these fees.
No, we can't do that. And Shane fell in the dump, by the way. Just so everybody knows.
I didn't fall. I slipped gracefully.
Slipped gracefully on a pile of trash.
Yeah, it might stink a little bit now.
He stinks.